Hello and welcome to the AI with Arun Show. In this episode, we are diving into Oracle AI World 2025, an event that wasn't just a conference. It was a declaration of a monumental shift in strategy for one of tech's most iconic companies. Oracle is making a massive bet, moving its entire identity from being cloud first to AI native. This is not just a new coat of paint or some clever marketing. It's a fundamental acknowledgement that in today's world, the game has changed. Dominance in the enterprise software market is no longer just dependent on having a good cloud. It depends on embedding intelligence directly into every process to deliver real automated business results. So, we're going to explore what this means, what Oracle announced, and whether this high stakes gambit can truly redefine their future. So, welcome to the in depth analysis of Oracle AI World 2025. Oracle signaled this new era by rebranding its flagship conference from Cloud World to AI World. This name change sends a clear message. Cloud computing is no longer the destination, it's the assumed starting point. The real competitive battleground, the real advantage, lies in what you build on top of that foundation. For Oracle, that advantage is deeply embedded AI across every single thing that they offer. So, what is the AI World mandate? At its core, it's a strategic repositioning. Oracle is stating that true value for business now comes from data driven insights and automated outcomes. They are moving from selling the tools to delivering the answers. The entire strategy is built on the idea that AI should not be a separate bolted on application, but an invisible, intelligent layer woven into the fabric of the enterprise. This vision is being driven from the very top. Larry Ellison, the founder, has said and he has laid out a very powerful dual strategy. First, build absolutely massive AI infrastructure on a hyperscale level to compete with the biggest players for training the world's most demanding AI models. And second, make AI simple and accessible for every business by bringing it securely to where their private data already lives. Mike Sicilia is focused on execution. His mandate is to embed AI into every single layer of the Oracle stack, from the deepest infrastructure all the way up to the fusion applications that millions of people use every day. His philosophy is that AI should be a silent enabler that makes everything work better, not another complicated tool that you have to learn. And Juan Laizo and TK Anand are leading the revolution at the data layer. Their vision is to transform the database from a passive container, a digital filing cabinet, into an active engine for intelligence. To make this vision a reality, Oracle has organized its strategy into four distinct interconnected layers. The first one is the infrastructure layer. This is the foundation, the raw power needed for massive scale AI. The second layer is the database layer. This is Oracle's home turf, now reimagined to be AI native. The third one is the platform layer. This is the control center that unifies data, governance, and development. And then the fourth one is the application layer. This is where the AI delivers tangible value through automated agents that understand and execute business process. Over the next couple of slides, we'll break down for you what each of these mean. Let's talk about the infrastructure first. Oracle announced the OCI Zettascale 10 cluster. Now, Zettascale is one of those big marketing terms, but the numbers behind it are staggering. We're talking about the largest AI supercomputer available in the cloud with hundreds of thousands of NVIDIA GPUs. To put its performance in perspective, it's measured in Zetaflops. A flop is a basic calculation. A Zetaflop is 1 followed by 21 zeros. That is a sextillion calculations per second. It's a scale of computing that's almost incomprehensible. But here is the most critical part, the OpenAI Stargate connection. Oracle is building the flagship supercluster with OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, Abilene, Texas. This is arguably the most important third party validation in the AI world. The strategic mission is simple and brilliant. If Oracle's cloud is trusted to power the world's most advanced and demanding AI workload, it's more than capable of handling any enterprise needs. Next, we move to the core of Oracle's enterprise strategy, the Oracle AI database 26 AI. This is the key differentiator, bringing AI to the data and not the other way around. They have made it incredibly easy for their massive existing customer base to adopt this. First, the upgrade is frictionless. It's just a simple patch to grow from the current version to 26 AI with no complex migration projects needed. Second, the core AI features are free. Key capabilities like AI vector search are included at no extra cost, removing any incentive for customers to look at specialized, separate databases. And third, the database has been re architected with an AI native core, turning it into an engine for intelligence. Let's look at what AI native actually means in the database. AI vector search. Now, think of this as giving the database the ability to understand a meaning and context. A traditional search looks for keywords. A vector search for the word king could also find results for queen, monarch, or ruler. Oracle's unified hybrid search combines this new semantic search with traditional database queries in a single command. In database AI agents, now these are small autonomous programs that live and run directly inside the database, right where the data is. This improves security and dramatically reduces latency because you're not constantly moving data around. They even have a private agent factory for building these agents with no code. Then we have autonomous AI lakehouses. This extends the database's power to data that isn't even inside of it. For example, to files sitting in open formats like Apache Iceberg in cloud storage. This allows you to run powerful AI and analytical queries across all your data, no matter where it is, without moving it. Now, in an AI world, security is paramount, and Oracle announced two key innovations. The first one is quantum resistant protection. This is incredibly forward thinking. Today's encryption is strong, but it could potentially be broken by the quantum computers of the future. Bad actors know this and they are engaging in harvest now, decrypt later attacks. Oracle is already implementing new NIST approved quantum resistant algorithms to protect data in flight against this future threat. The second one is mission critical reliability. For their globally distributed database, Oracle is using raft based replication. In simple terms, this allows for active deployments where you have two live synchronized copies of the database running at once. If one fails, the other takes over in under 3 seconds with absolute zero data loss. The Oracle AI data platform is the layer that ties all of this together. It's the strategic brain of the operation and is now generally available for production use. It provides unified governance for an open data lakehouse and a single catalog for all data and AI assets. This helps prevent what is known as shadow AI, where different departments build their own AI tools without oversight. It features zero ETL connectivity, which is a fancy way of saying it provides seamless, real time access to data from any source, be it Fusion apps or other databases, without needing to build complex data pipelines. And it includes the Agent Hub, a user friendly interface that acts as an orchestrator. A business user can make a request in natural language, and the hub automatically identifies and activates the correct AI agents to synthesize an answer or a recommendation. This is where the strategy becomes tangible for everyday users. Oracle is moving beyond simple copilots to what they call agentic automation. These are specialized AI agents embedded directly into the Fusion applications that can autonomously execute complex multi-step business process. Let's take an example. In HR, the talent advisor can automatically analyze an employee's performance, data, the skills, and career path to determine their readiness for a promotion. In sales, the deal advisor can analyze a deal in progress and automatically surface the most important sales content, case studies, or competitive battle cards to help the salesperson win. And critically, all of these new agents are available to existing Fusion customers at no additional cost. Oracle is not just building agents themselves, they are creating an entire economy around them. The AI Agent Studio is a low code and no code environment that empowers business analysts, not just developers, to build, test, and deploy their own custom agents. And adoption is already taking off with over 32,000 people certified through Oracle University. They've also launched the Fusion AI Agent Marketplace, which went live with over 100 agents from more than 20 partner firms. This creates a powerful app store model. Partners with deep industry expertise can build and sell specialized agents, creating a virtuous cycle. More valuable agents attract more customers, which in turn attracts more partners to build even more agents. This ecosystem is not a side project, it is central to the entire strategy. AI World 2025 had an unprecedented focus on partners. Global advisory firms like PwC, KPMG, Accenture, and Deloitte were on stage, showcasing real world agentic AI solutions that they have built for clients. This provides crucial validation that the technology is indeed enterprise ready. Technology partners like Red Hat demonstrated how their tools like Ansible and OpenShift can be used for automation and running AI workloads on Oracle Cloud. And implementation specialists showed how they are modernizing custom applications to leverage all of these new AI capabilities, proving the value for real world use cases. So let's step back and look at the big picture. Oracle has carved out some powerful competitive differentiators. High performance infrastructure validated at the highest level by OpenAI, an AI native database that brings intelligence directly to where enterprise data lives with a seamless upgrade path and deep process level integration through embedded agents and a growing marketplace ecosystem. However, there are significant risks and challenges ahead. They have to deliver on the massive performance claims of Zettascale 10 Cluster. The Asian marketplace needs to achieve critical mass to be successful. They face the immense challenge of changing their market perception from a legacy database company to a true AI innovator. And of course, the competition from Microsoft, from Google, and SAP is incredibly intense. To conclude, Oracle AI World 2025 was a bold declaration of intent. Oracle is betting its future on a cohesive top to bottom AI strategy. The path forward is, however, very clear. They want to dominate high end AI infrastructure to win flagship customers and prove their technical credibility. They are re architect their core database from a passive repository into an active intelligence engine, then provide the unified governance platform to enable trusted enterprise wide AI. And finally, embed autonomous agents to deliver tangible business value through process automation. By leveraging its greatest strength, its unparalleled proximity to the world's enterprise data, Oracle has crafted a powerful and credible strategy to become a central architect of the AI revolution. Their success will undoubtedly define the next chapter for this iconic technology company. With that, we come to the end of the show. Support our work by joining us as a member. And if you learned something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun show. Thank you for watching.